Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Woo! Merry Christmas!
Hot seat.
Christmas for me is a season of giving, loving, and sharing. Thank you. We get to express ourselves, tell people we love them through our gifts and our parties.
Christmas to me is a time where we get to hang out with our family and with our friends. Of course, a gift-giving time.
Christmas is a magical time of the year. It's a special na holiday for me kasi I get to be with my fam, I get to spend time with them more. Tapos, ayun, yun yung parang pinaka-reunion namin. And a lot of families, nagre-reunion talaga. My Christmas wish list, cliche, may sound. Gusto ko lang naman health for my family. Some of it would be material for myself and also for sana maging successful sila in life. Mas importante sa akin yung family time, the love talaga. Get happy and healthy all the time. I spread the love. And sana ma-enjoy nila yung spirit of Christmas. Love you. Love you too. Love you.
Mountain bike. Yun lang, okay na ako dun, mountain bike.
Kain! Ay! Dapat sa Pasko, hindi nawawala ang mga Christmas lights.
Pagkain.
Pagbibigayan at pagmamahalan.
Hindi dapat nawawala sa Pasko yung gatherings ng mga family natin.
Without the Christmas lights, you don't feel like you're a who in Whoville and everything is magically happening. What is happening? Kasi meron mga tao ngayon na yung Christmas parang wala lang sa kanila. So, Christmas lang naman yan. Isang araw lang yan. Hindi na one celebration.
Saka regalo.
Do something good for the people around you. Or for your family. Or not only for yourself. Bakit nga ba sa medyas mo nilalagay? Diyos ko, marami may athletes. Ay, bakit nga ba? Kasi may kasama yung may kasama yung air freshener. Actually, I don't know. Feeling ko ganito nangyari. Parang may visit siya one time and then he ran out of places to put his gifts and so he was like, oh yo, I can put it in my socks, yo! Extra space. Bakit niya sa medyas nilalagay? Recession! Walang pambili ng plastic, eh, sa medyas niya nilagay. O kadalasan, isa lang yung medyas na sinasabit niya. Eh, usually nawawala yung kapares, di ba? O, para you make good use.
Kasi para walang titingin, sino ba titingin sa message niyo?
Ewan ko, siguro pagka nakatext ko si Santa, tatanungin ko kung bakit sa medyas niya nilalagay mo. Mataba siya! Kasi masyadong madami nagbibigay ng cookies and milk. Pahingi naman. I would like some cookies from Marks and Spencer kasi may masarap doon na merong brasses. Kasi nga, marami ng pagkain pag Christmas. Di niya matiis. Nagutom ako. Lampin. Syempre gold!
Perfume.
Because I'm fabulous! Walang nagregalo ng food. Cha! Diba? Walang nagregalo ng food sa kanila.
Sino ba nagagawa ko ulit?
He's fabulous! You can always indulge and you can always spend for food. Kahit magkano yan. Basta pagkain. That's the reason why we're working. Diba?
Jesus. Kasi doon siya natulog sa, ano diba, sa sty. Doon sa, ano tawag doon? Oo, sa manger, diba? Bakit? Merry Christmas, Upload viewers!